Well, this 503A came with the manual and a lovely box of attachments that has all the original fashion discs and accessories for it. So let's try a couple of our other fashion discs. The zigzag one was in the machine, but here is the triple stitch zigzag. So we'll just pop that in. Our control was at center and straight stitch, and now we can set our width, and look at that beautiful little triple stitch it's making. So we'll finish that stitch and raise our needle up, and then set our width back to straight so we can lift our fashion disc off. Here's our blind hem. And it's making a lovely little blind hem. All right. What's this? I don't know how visible these are, and I don't know what to call this pattern. What does the book say it is? The manual has the names for all these in it. Uh, 32 and to 34 is fashion discs. This is the icicle stitch. Oh, remember to set our Why doesn't this icicle stitch want to go on there? Oh, there we go. All right. That is a lovely little pattern. All right, straight stitch, pop. Our scallop or crescent pattern. Very nice, okay. And you have to set it back to the straight stitch every time you switch the fashion disc, which there's no damage if you remove the disc. When it's not set to straight stitch, you just can't get the new one on. This is the arrowhead, and that's turning out very nicely. This is called the banner stitch. Okay. And this is ribbon stitch, it says. And it says it features twin stitch or twin needle stitching, and I think I'm gonna go get a second needle and a second color of top thread and then we'll see what I can do for a couple decorative stitches with the twin needles. And this last one is the ball stitch. So that seems very nice. I am going to switch back our actually, I bet the ball stitch is an interesting one to do as a twin needle decorative stitch. We'll put that back in. And then I am going to find a second needle to put in here and a second color of thread. Okay, the needle clamp has 2 needles in it. The manual says that you need to set the stitch width, or the stitch needle to the left, and then for your width you can only go up to 2 or 3, and you need to check how much clearance you get in the foot. So we'll start by leaving it on straight here and get a double stitch going, and then I will try that ball stitch with 2 threads. Alright, dual needle, and we'll try the ball stitch out. I suppose I should put the presser foot down. Okay, we're stitching okay like that. Let's set our width a little bit wider. We can try this. Alright, well, I would say this twin needle stitching definitely is something I'm not very good at, because I don't do a whole lot of decorative twin needle stitching, but I would say I can get this out of here. It mushed up and made a pair of stitches. So I would have to practice a lot to get this to work. But it is twin needle stitching just fine, and it doesn't appear to have skipped any stitches. So let me actually put a couple stitches in there, and it's on straight. I'm going to flip it over to our zigzag cam, the original straight stitch zigzag cam, and we'll just do a double zigzag. Alright. Oh. Well, that double zigzag is okay. It caught both sides the whole way through. I would say that this needle bar is in good shape since I'm catching both threads on the double needle set, and it's catching all the threads when I stitch regularly on it. So I think with that minor adjustment, the full oil and service, and a thorough cleaning underneath the bobbin area and hook, that this 503 is ready to go to a new home.